So today we're going to be making this airplane. It's going to be, mixed up with, you know what? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make that like button turn blue. So first step is we're going to fold it down. So first you're going to have the paper all straight, and then you're going to fold it straight down and flip it over and look if there's any gap right here. So after that you're going to make a small version of an airplane. So we're going to put it right here and do it again. So you gotta make a house. And then like a mini house. Then you're gonna fold it in and fold it out. I thought this airplane was pretty cool. So fold it just like that, same thing to the other side. And you use the other side just like this thing to practice. So then you do that. After that, wait, I messed up. So then you're gonna have to fold it to make it look kind of small though. So then you have enough room for your fingers. And then do the same thing to the other side. So just don't fold it too small, or you'll mess up just like I did. So then you're gonna grab this and rip it. So then you rip it. You rip it like that. So then you go from over here, grab it, pull it up. So then you have this big old hole to grab air for you. Well, since I ripped it, it's all messed up. So you can use scissors too. After that, you're gonna grab the end and fold it in just a little bit because I'm making a small version. I'll be making a big version in my next video. So let's go test it. So here's our test flight. Here's our test flight.
Well, that sucks. Okay, let me try. Okay, one, two. What the heck?
No.
Okay, now wait, let me tell them something. Now just don't rip it with your fingers. Just rip it with scissors.
No, you cut it with scissors.
Yeah, cut it with scissors.
Avery, you're so smart.
Post it. Just post it.
That was dumb.